Come test drive the 2017 Accent. Designed to keep you moving and leave boredom behind, the Hyundai Accent is affordable, fuel efficient, and safe. A winning combination. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: front-wheel drive, electronic stability control, power door locks, trip computer, tachometer, day-night rear view mirror, outside temperature gauge, tilt steering wheel, body color door handles, 4-piece floor mat set. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.